it feels weird to like start a travel vlog. But anyway, yeah, this is happening. I am traveling after 8 months. Oh my god. Hi guys, what's up? This is Forum and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, travel and a lot more things, and today I am traveling to my favorite place in the world. Everyone knows that like I have tons and tons of videos of Goa on my channel, and since the lockdown has lifted, it's not like entirely lifted, but you know, partially, and travel has been resumed. I figured that, you know, I probably need to like go to that place and, you know, just be there as long as I want. So yeah, I'm traveling there. I'll have multiple vlogs on this particular topic, I think, from the place basically, because I am gonna be there for quite a good amount of days. I think almost half a month, I think. So yeah, expect a lot more videos from Goa, like hidden gems and must places to visit and a lot more. But in this vlog we are going to be covering the travel from Bombay to Goa, and you know, everything that happens on the airport, and you know, all details like the COVID details and everything that you would probably need. So I am not sure what's gonna happen, because there's like a new rule that came in just 2 days ago. So we're gonna see. It's scary, but yeah, we are excited. So let's get started. Bye.
Ryan, let's
So everything is done and security हो गया. We got our boarding pass already print करा के आए थे. It's 7 and our flight is like at 9 o'clock. So we are like 3 hours early. We reached here at 6, and then like this entire thing took us like an hour. So yeah, there's like not enough crowd at the airport, and you know, they didn't ask for like a lot of details. I'll tell you all the details that you'll need when, you know, you get into it. Just give me some time. I'm saying like just give me some time. I'll just settle down and then I'll talk. Now we've just come to the food court. हम लोग बस यहाँ पे अभी बैठ रहे because we still have like 2 more hours for our flight. Anyway, okay, I'll just start with the entire process. Of course, the mask is compulsory. Without the mask, you do not get the entry. Secondly, when you like enter, you need like an original ID proof and your boarding pass, which has to be already printed. So we got to know this yesterday when I got this message from AirAsia that you need to get your boarding pass pehle se. Apparently I don't think they provide that anymore. I mean, it's quite compulsory, but if you maybe, you know, forget to do it, I think it comes with an additional cost. That's how they've like kept it. Uske baad kya hua? And then we did our baggage. Tabhi bhi I think it was pretty normal. Like we just had to show our boarding. We already have our seats assigned, so yeah, there was nothing there. Just some ID proof, and your baggage has to be like 15 kgs. So I had 2 bags. I had one just I keep carrying my laptop, and there was another one which was my yuk. So I was really like confused ki yuk ko, you know, they might not count it as additional bag, but they did not, obviously. What else? Arogya Setu app is mandatory. The airport is very khali. ज़्यादा लोग नहीं हैं यहाँ पे. I mean, it feels abandoned, but yeah, at the food court abhi I can see a lot of people. I had watched a lot of people saying, you know, security pay, there's like, you know, no queue, no manners, nothing. But my security process went very smoothly. I mean, people were not socially distanced. That's true. Social distancing maintain नहीं हो रहा है यहाँ पे. It's not something that, you know, you have to be nervous about like while boarding. Pretty chill जाता है, कुछ ज़्यादा इतना नहीं है. Just like a normal on a normal day how you used to travel, it's just like that. There's just additionally you have to like put on your mask and download Arogya Setu. And that's it. That's all about it. In fact, my going process is not going to be that hassle wala. When I come back to Maharashtra, I'll have a different process altogether because of the new rule that has come yesterday, which needs like COVID negative certificate before you enter. So I think documentation तभी थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. There'll be like a proper checking for the symptoms and everything. But for now, like, it was pretty chill. It was normal. If you're scared before taking the flight, because I was for the longest time, I was like, you know, is it the right time? Should we go or not? You know, there'll be like a lot of trouble that we might probably have to go through. So I was like, nahi chahta, abhi nahi, and then, you know, we delayed the entire thing. But no, it's very normal. So yeah, go make your first flight. Now I'm sort of hungry. Actually, I'm not hungry. I'm just bored, and I think I'm hungry. But that's my story. I'm sitting at the runway. It looks so beautiful right now. The flare coming in, so you cannot see it well, but it looks so nice. Sagar has been sitting right there. I don't know why. He just went away. He just left. I think it was because I was vlogging and I think he got a call. He just left without saying anything. That's his guitar. We're gonna jam. I've got my uke too, Chotu Sasi. I've got my uke. I've never taken this anywhere. I think I have this since more than 1.5 years now. I've never taken this anywhere. For the reason being कि मुझे वैसे भी play करना नहीं आता इतना. I just learned something, but this time I'm like, you know, I'm gonna play because I have been sort of learning some tunes in this lockdown. I'm still not so fluent with it, but yeah, I have. I have also like made a video playing this, and Sagar was singing this. It's on my Instagram. I'll leave a link so you know you can just watch it. I know I'm gonna embarrass myself, but I don't even I don't care. Do it, whatever. I don't care. What are you having?
मेथी थेपला.
किसके हाथ का?
तेरी मॉम के हाथ का.
मैंने भी
तूने हेल्प किया थोड़ा.
मैंने कुछ हेल्प नहीं किया.
Mom's magic.
And how is
and
it?
You travel with this.
Yeah, dude.
Everywhere.
It's like we travel, like whenever I travel, I at least carry एक pack of पूरा थेपला डब्बा भर के मैं लेके जाती हूँ. Anywhere, like कभी भी. Even when I went to Kedarkantha, तभी भी I had taken this थेपला का thing. I'm doing this since years. Trust me, everyone I meet loves thepla. Oh, I also remember Kedarkantha mein when I went, ऊपर I made the उत्कर्षी लोग बोलते ना वो local क्या बोलते हैं locals of उत्तराखंड गढ़वाली. हाँ, गढ़वाली लोग. I made them try thepla and they were like figuring out कि इसमें क्या है. Leave the clip here, so watch that. You would know, yeah. All my Guju friends would know कि thepla हर जगह बनता है. Yeah.
This is Hina's speciality.
Yeah, it is. Perfect.
Who is Hina?
Forum's mom.
Hina Shah is everyone's mom.
Speciality. मेथी थेपला.
खाओ आंटी, आप कब से रखे हो उसे हाथ में?
Very delicious.
Thank
Yummy.
you.
Thanks, Hina.
Thanks, Hina.
Thanks, Hina.
Sit on the Expo. Sit here.
Someone's dressing up.
That's it?
अरे नहीं, yeah, you have to fold that.
This goes behind or front, right?
हाँ, मतलब जितना टाइट हो सके वैसे.
Now I am ready
For what?
to party in Goa.
Shut up. So with every boarding pass, you get this. You have to show your boarding pass, and you get this kit. इसमें like this is not like the entire kit. Oh my god, I hate kids crying. So there's like a mask, which obviously I'm not gonna wear because it feels very patla to me. I'm gonna keep it in case I need it. We have a sanitizer, a hand sanitizer. Okay. And then we have a shield. it, tear this one apart and wear it like this. I've never worn a shield before, so इसके पहले when I got one, मैंने इसका sponge निकाल दिया था. It was like super loose. I didn't know obviously, but then he just replaced and we have this one now and I'm just gonna wear it. We're going in and I'm falling down and this is super uncomfortable. Now is your time to shine.
Hi.
After how many years you're taking a flight?
For 38 years.
38?
Yeah.
Okay. What?
Afraid.
Afraid, अच्छा. It's okay, थोड़ा उड़ेंगे,
थोड़ा हिलेंगे,
थोड़ा पलटी वलटी होगा.
पलटी मारेंगे थोड़ा,
थोड़ा ना,
U-turn
पूरा नहीं ना.
लेंगे एक बड़ा सा.
Okay, let's try.
Let's try.
towards the westerly direction, then we'll be taking a left heading, flying
We're
above the
gonna
beach
fly
level.
now for the next one.
Weather en route is
What do I do?
due to strong
See,
crosswinds
baby
along
F
the
is
route.
me.
Which one?
This one, baby F.
I'd like to extend all those donning personal protective equipments to be kept on during the flight. Please sit back, relax, enjoy the flight. Descending into Goa, I shall get back to you with further details. Thank you for flying AirAsia.
This girl is not Go down. Not me. Purple.